Who feel the pain and how do they feel? Here is another speech from the Repator, a motivational speaker. A speech that will touch the mind of every living being in this planet. That is, if you do not stitch it with your finger by sharing the share button that will make it go viral. But before letting the cat out of the bag. But who actually feel the pain and how do they feel? First, my sincere salutation goes to Theresa May for a beautiful deed that she had done by tendering a letter of her resignation in a respectful manner. And this can only happen in the Western world, certainly not in Africa. So, Mamie Theresa May, please do not see yourself as a failure because you could not be able to deliver, but rather see yourself as a warrior woman who has fought and stepped aside, that must surely come and fight another day. Also see yourself as an example to other leaders in the world, most especially to those that would like to remain in power, even if they see their innocent people as suffering. Also because you don't want to be known among those who doesn't keep their promises. Because for those who break promises are stealers of hope. And broken of promises can cause the greatest accident to mankind. And that is why you are peacefully stepping aside. But still, you are not a failure, but a warrior in a woman form. Now, let's balance the question without any subtraction about who actually feel the pain and poverty and how do they feel. I guess everyone does in one way or the other. Here I clear your doubt. But do not shake your ears so that you wouldn't miss any word out of it. You as a rich man who earlier went ahead to steal that beautiful young lady from her lover boy because her poor boyfriend could not be able to secure a job after many years of graduation. Rich man, you went ahead to got married to that same young lady. But don't be so surprised as time moves further into the future. That lady in question must surely cheat on you with that same ex-boyfriend that you have earlier stolen her from. Yes. Now tell me who feel the pain. Everyone does in one way or the other. As the first lady of a whole nation and a mother, how do you feel? When driving on the road with your driver and suddenly come across a child who's supposed to have been in the classroom at that particular point in time, begging for some coins from you to obtain some food. Now tell us, how do you feel? First lady, how do you feel whenever you come across a woman like you, but she is very poor and walking along the express road together with her 5 children, begging for food? Then as a mother of the whole nation, how do you feel? So as the first lady, how do you feel when walking hands in hands with your husband alongside with his foreign friends by showing them the only side of the most magnificent place in your country, while the ugly and dirty part in your country has been avoided? So how do you feel as the first lady? Being the first lady, how do you feel when sitting down beside your husband, watching an international news like BBC, CNN, or Al Jazeera? All of a sudden, the station will be showing the ugly side of your country, on how women and children are suffering, also sleeping under the bridges, and the dying rate of African youth at the international sea. Then your husband will sharply order the housemaid to change the channel to your local channel that is only showing the 5% of things that your husband must have done. So as a mother of all nations, Tell us, how do you feel? What about the high cost of living in your country? First Lady, how do you feel? If your housemaid you have earlier sent to the market and come back to come tell you that the price of food at the market today was so much expensive and everything was just like monopoly, then how do you feel as a first lady for the poor masses? Here I repeat, as the first lady who truly have that motherly love and affection towards her children, how do you feel? Tell us how you really feel. Finally, share this wake-up call video so as to reach out to all the first lady from all the 54 countries in Africa that make ladies to be addressed first before gentlemen. Thanks for listening. Please share this video. One love from a motivational speaker, Derek Payton. Thanks and God bless you.